Sage here for Kalkine Media. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest videos. 5 investing ideas from investment company stocks for this month. The pandemic created havoc for most businesses across the globe, and while the smaller ones perished, some mid-sized struggled and some top companies had to drain all their resources to fight the unprecedented event. And though recovery signs have reduced the borrowing expectation, as per some industry estimates, UK firms are now expected to borrow a net £19 billion this year for their businesses to survive. Here comes the investment companies in play, which apart from the banking institutions provide a major source for funds to the businesses. The company's pool investments provide securitised loans or equity backing to companies in need. Its shares are accessible to the common investors, which provide access to return on capital investment. Investing in such stocks helps the investors benefit from the off-market complex trades and instruments. Return benefits of structured finance instruments is what investment companies offer to their shareholders. Such shares also offer dividend income. Now let's have a look at the 5 lesser-known investment company stocks. Beginning with Real Estate Credit Investments Ltd. It is an investment company engaged in debt-secured real estate investments. It primarily invests in commercial and residential spaces in the UK and Western Europe. Its real estate loans and bonds are in the form of securitised units. It buys and holds investments via SPVs or subsidiaries. On the 10th of May 2021, 11:30 a.m. GMT, its stock pegged at 143.5 GBX, and the stock has given a 1-year return of 40.69%. RECI or RECI has been delivering quarterly dividends consistently since October 2013, amounting to 7% of its NAV. Its portfolio has not defaulted and had mark-to-market recovery of 4.1 pence to NAV since March 2020. Its weighted average, or LTV, is 64.9%. The company reported holding cash worth 22.8 million Great Britain pounds as of 31st March 2021. On to the next, Plus 500 Limited. The company has its origin in Israel and operates as an online trading services provider for contracts for difference across multiple asset classes. It has subsidiaries in the UK, Australia, Singapore, Cyprus and Bulgaria. Its platform is for retail customers dealing in global financial instruments, being equities, options, ETFs, cryptocurrencies and others. On the 10th of May 2021, 11:32 a.m. GMT, its share was at 1,461.5 Great Britain pounds, and the stock has returned 12.68% on investment in the last 1 year. It commenced a share buyback program in February 2020 and is again seen undertaking a lot of transactions in its own shares in March and April 2021. The group EBITDA on the first quarter of 2021 was US $121.7 million, with EBITDA margin of 60%. Customer income also remained robust at $221.5 million in the quarter. The company has a lean, flexible cost base and an efficient business model. It has access to future growth through organic investment in technology and targeted acquisitions. Next, EJF Investments Ltd. It is a closed-ended LLC from Jersey. It functions as a public instrument for EJF Group to provide exposure to investments in equity tranches of EJF-backed securitisations. It has a niche asset class and pays target dividends regularly. The shares pegged at 128 Great Britain pounds on the 10th of May 2021, 11:35 a.m. GMT, and it has given a return of 2.4% in the last 1 year. It recently released its final results for the period ended 31st December 2020. Its portfolio was having a total return since inception of 53%, though the return for the reported period was 7%. Its NAV stood at 100.6 million Great Britain pounds. Mark-to-market declines in valuations in the portfolio were reflected as a result of de-risking by primary dealers in credit markets. Symphony International Holdings Limited. It invests in consumer-related businesses located in Asia, from healthcare, hospitality, lifestyle, logistics and education sectors. The company aims to form long-term business partnerships with talented entrepreneurs of this region. Incorporated in the British Virgin Islands, or the BVI, in 2004, it is managed from Singapore. Its shares traded at 38 US cents on the 10th of May 2021 at 11:37 a.m. Greenwich Meridian Time, and it has given a 1-year return of 19.37 to the investors. As on 31st December 2020, it reported a decrease in cash balances worth $7,395 US dollars. Its NAV per share declined to US $0.74, and during 2020 due to a fall in its hospitality investment values. It only monetized on its real estate investments in Japan in 2020, and it is placed to benefit from the rise of e-commerce in Asia. Honeycomb Investment Trust plc. It is an investment trust deploying funds in credit assets of non-banking lending firms with secured underlying loan portfolios. It operates in the UK as a medical imaging technology corporation. Pollen Street Capital Limited serves as its investment manager. And on the 10th of May 2021, 11:38 a.m. GMT, its shares were near its 6-month high at 970 Great Britain pounds. It has given a return of 31.98% in the last 1 year. It reported a stable dividend yield of 8% for the year ended to 31st December 2020. It had a stable NAV per share of 1,013 pence per share, and it reported resilient underlying earnings of 26.2 Great Britain pounds. The company also bought back 4,190,178 shares last year. Thanks for your time watching. If you do like this information, please like, share, comment on the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. And for regular updates and information, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com. And this is Sage for Kalkine Media.